In this task, we are going to see how can we control multiple LEDs using push button in Arduino board. First of all, we make the circuit by connecting all the components and then write the Arduino code. After writing the Arduino code, we press start simulation and start press each button. When we press any particular button, a serial monitor shows some value which is different for every button. We have to note these values. And then we have to write Arduino code to control LEDs by push button by writing these values in the code. After we write code for we write code for the push button and then start simulation. After simulating, we press any particular button and we saw that the LED starts blinking.